Blended diesel and bio-additive. Ito, pakihila yan. Ibaba mo na, Mer.
Uy, wag! Gulong baya, ano mo na yan? Baya, ano na yan?
Dito lalagay.
Asan ito pala?
Ilagay mo yung hose. Lagay niyo yung hose dyan. Okay. Suksok mo lang. Tapos, paki-pump to.
Ay, ganun.
Playing ako. Huwag ka matakbo. Huwag ka takbo.
Isuzu Crosswind.
Boyong,
Puno to.
Ah,
Boyong, huwag
nandito.
ka takbo. Bye-bye, Boyong. Bye-bye.
Dali.
Pakitak pa na. Mamaya, takpo mo na lang. Pakikuha yung isang bote. So this is the IQT Ignition Quality Test. Setting number determination. Ilang years, months na yung unit na yan?
Ilang years na ang unit
Ito, yes. Oh. IQT.
IQT wala pang year.
One lang.
It was acquired mga... Yung first running ko is November.
Ah, recent lang pala. So this is the sample. Blended diesel with additive. This is unlike yung yung setting yung octane engine. Meron kang parang reference fuel. Dito ba may reference fuel?
Wala. Meron siyang reference pero meron din siya instead of using isoctane, we're using ethane which has a known value of cetane number which is around
52.
yun yung ating mga reference.
Di ba doon sa octane talagang
Nag-mix ka.
may mix na?
Number, particular cetane number.
Octane. Normally, ilang minutes yung test?
Mga
30 minutes. Ilang minutes yung warming up of the engine?
Warming up to stability kasi you have to maintain this pressure, this temperature. Siguro mga 4 hours.
4 hours?
Before you can run, optimize the
Pressure at for 160. Nozzle width. Chamber. Ayan, nag-test na?
Yan. Ang gawin na siya. Ang ano dito, actually there are around 32 injections. So, and 32 combustions in average.
Ah, ganun. So, ano yung chart? Isa, combustion pressure.
Charge pressure, yung
800.
air yun na ipapasok mo dito. At it should be maintained at 310 plus minus
So, itong
0.5 yata.
sa combustion pressure. So, parang ang highest na na-testing nyo ano?
We have tested
Pinakamataas sa set.
5 diesel of cetane number of 79.
Sa amin nyo.
Ay, yun pala. Yun pa. Yun pa.
79.
Yun pa.
Yung pa, so, yung pinaka-highest.
Yan ang
79.
highest na ano.
Yung nirepeat nyo pa dahil una 78 ata. So, ano yung blue graph?
Ang blue graph is the combustion pressure.
Tapos the white graph,
Yung yellow, I think this is
Yellow, yellow.
It's with the time open yung needle, papasok yung pressure, then going into combustion.
okay.
So, ang i-minimize natin is from the time mag-open yung needle, papasok hanggang at the period na magka-combust siya, mag-ignite siya. So, the principle is the ignition delay between opening and the combustion, the ignition. Actually, flammability test din ito.
Ganun. Can you test other than diesel, say fuel oil? Special fuel oil? Hindi. You blend it. Kasi di ba may
We have
diesel yun?
tried.
Kasi di ba blended yun with diesel bunker? So,
Pwede siguro. Normally kasi pag mga ganyang as long as you will filter your sample.
ganun.
Kasi mag-aano daw
Bagap.
magkakla yung kanyang particles, combust particles. So, to clean up, dapat iraran mo siya ng inhibiting before and after para ma-clean mo yun. Let's see. 59 siya.
So, yeah, 58, 59. Ano ba yung mga regular diesel? 62.
Normally, mga 48 to 52 lang siya.
Regular diesel. Yung, nag-test na ba kayo ng bed CME diesel?
Hindi pa. Nag-test kami ng diesel.
Blended with CME?
No.
Wala pa? Wala pa nagpapatest?
Pure diesel pa. Kasi mahal nga siya. Hindi naman pwede lahat na kinukuha naming sample i-test. So, as requested.
Requested. So you haven't tested CME with diesel with CME?
I think this is the first time.
First kasi di ba pure CME 65?
65. Medyo may 70. Pero yung lately yung Jet Pro, mababa. Ayaw ko kung anong klase siya.
So 61.25.
Yeah, ito, ang report kasi ito by injection. So, sinabi ko na 32 injection, ina-average lang niya.
Sa yung report. Pwede makakuha ng copy niya?
Oo, yan.
Ito yung derived setting number.
Ito yung sitting.
32 injections. So yan, derive sa tank.